In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Meta Business Manager, formerly known as Facebook Business Manager. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up. So why should I set up Meta Business Manager? It houses all of your Meta assets such as your Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, pixels under one roof. Organization aside, it makes things like giving team members access very easy. Having a verified business manager also means that ad accounts are less likely to be disabled, hacked, and you have access to business manager support team if things do go wrong. Sign into your personal Facebook profile if you have existing Meta assets in use, such as a personal ad account or pages. You want to be signed into that Facebook profile that has access to those assets. Go to this link and click on Create an Account. Enter your business name and business email. I won't be able to show you the next step after clicking on Submit, as Facebook has restrictions on how many business managers you can create. And as a marketing agency, we handle a lot of business managers, so we have already reached that limit. However, the next few steps are very guided, very simple, and you just have to follow the steps given by Facebook, enter a few bits of information to complete the creation. So upon creation, Meta Business Suite will pop up. The next step you want to do is to link your existing Meta assets to your newly created business manager. Or, if you do not have any existing Meta assets, you want to create new Meta assets. Click on Settings and Business Assets. Your interface may look empty compared to mine, but that's normal. It's because you do not have any existing assets linked at the moment. Click on Add Assets. The first asset you want to add is your Facebook page. So 3 options here. If you do not have an existing Facebook page for this business, click on Create a New Facebook Page. Follow the guided steps to complete it in less than 2 minutes. If you already have an existing Facebook page, click on Claim an Existing Facebook Page. Do note that the Facebook profile you are doing this on needs to have the admin access to the Facebook page that you want to claim. If you do not have admin access to the page you want to claim, someone with the page admin access will need to approve the claim process. The third option is where you want people in your business manager to also have access to the Facebook page, but you don't want this business manager to own the page. This is more applicable for agencies or freelance digital marketers. If you're doing this for your own business, you can simply ignore this. This is not what you want to do. The second asset you want to add is your Facebook ad account. Similar to the Facebook page, you have the same 3 options to choose from. So if you do not have an existing ad account, go ahead and create one. Again, Facebook guides you along. It's a 2-minute fast-free process. If you already have an existing ad account that you have ran ads on previously, and you want to add it to this business manager, you will need your ad account ID, which you can get from your ads manager. If you don't know where to get your ad account ID, go to this link and select the ads manager that you want to link. The ad account ID is the number that appears beside your ad account name. Copy that number, paste it back in, click submit, and your ad account will be linked to the business manager. The third asset is going to be your Instagram profile. Do note that claiming your Instagram profile will prompt a new window pop up where you'll be asked to sign into Instagram to verify that you are an authorized user. If you do not have an Instagram profile set up yet, you can also create one in that same window pop-up. There are a lot of other assets you can add. As you can see, there are going to be catalog, pixels, so on and so forth. If you already have those assets set up, go ahead and add them to your business manager. But if you do not have those assets yet, don't sweat it. Those are not compulsory. They are optional but recommended assets to have depending on your nature of business. In this video, we will not go through in depth as to what these assets are and how to create or set them up. But we will have a future video for that, so keep a lookout. Your Facebook page, Facebook ad account, and Instagram profile are your must-have assets in order to run advertising campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. So just set those 3 up and you're good to go. Under People, you can see a list of people who currently have access to this business manager. Click on Add People and you'll be able to add team members to work on this business manager. Enter their email addresses. The email addresses need to be the email address that their Facebook personal profile is registered under. Set their access level accordingly. Do note that if you give someone managed access, they will have the same permissions as you, including the permission to remove you from the BM. and adding themselves to other meta assets under this business manager. So if for some reason you want them to have access to the Facebook page but not the ad account, then do not give them managed access. Next step, select the meta assets and assign the access level for each asset. Review and click send request. They will get an email asking them to accept the business manager invitation. The last thing to note is that this is not the only place where you can add your assets. If you see other tutorial videos or guides, you may see an interface like this. If you're confused, don't worry, they are just different places for you to add assets and change permission levels. If you have followed the steps above, you're good and you're ready to run ads. We will have other videos coming up on how to create your first successful Facebook ad campaign, so keep a lookout for that. If you're watching this from the future, check out our other videos for useful insights and tips on Facebook advertising.